In this video, I'm going to give you 5 tips on why you should become financially independent. Number one reason is being financially independent guarantees you a good retirement plan. Now, you don't want to be at the age of 65 or your retirement age, depending on the country you are in, and start worrying about what to eat if your children are going to send you money. You don't really need that. And let me tell you this, if you are earning a salary, gather all the money aside the fact that you are going to spend. Gather it from the beginning of the year to the end of the year. It may not be able to get you a good house, depending on your country. If it's very easy, it can't get you a good house. So how does that going to guarantee you a good lifestyle when you grow old and you are already retired? So trust me, you really need to become financially independent and stop the waiting on the salary. Number 2, financial independence guarantees self-reliance. Now, what do I mean by self-reliance? Not trying to tell your parents, daddy, please come and buy me car, daddy, please come and buy me clothes, daddy, please come and buy me this, come and buy me that. Trust me, I'm not tired of it. Once you are financially independent, or once you have money to do things yourself, you're not going to stress yourself. You're not going to stress your parents, you're not going to stress no one. You're not going to stop calling your uncles or your aunties. Even, let me tell you the truth, they are tired. If they are giving you money, they are tired of it. So at this stage, I don't care how old you are, you can be financially independent, and you need to start working towards that and start learning to be able to cater for little things. Even if it's your clothes, even if it's your bag, even if it's something that you're going to eat as snacks, and stop stressing your parents, stressing your uncle, and stop stressing people, and start working towards being financial independence so you can be able to get those little things without begging people. The third reason is this: financial independence guarantees you the ability to live the lifestyle of your children. Now, I know so many of you are not comfortable in your parents' house. You're not comfortable in the way your parents has engineered the way your life should be. But instead, you want to be free. Now, once you have the ability to be financially independent, to get things of your children, or to just to get live in your own house, or to just get little things, trust me, you can be able to live your lifestyle of your children. Let's say you are the one that earning more money in your family, you are the breadwinner of your family. You can live the life of you want, the life that you want, without your parents disturbing you and start telling you why and start telling you that you can't do this, you can't do that. Financial independence guarantees you to live the lifestyle of your children, and no one, even your parents, is going to stop you. I know you've heard this a lot of times, people telling you that money is not everything, money cannot guarantee happiness. Well, let me tell you this truth. Money guarantees self-esteem. Yes, it does guarantee self-esteem. Now, that's what I'm making it part of the list. The fourth reason why you should be financially independent is self-esteem. You are shy, you have anxiety, you can't talk to people. My brother, if you don't have money, you don't. That's why. But once you have money, your anxiety or your fear and your self-esteem will increase, and this your introvert lifestyle will actually become an outrovert. So it's very serious, bro. Go and get money. Many might not include this as one of the reasons, but trust me, it's very important. Being financial independence gives you the ability to give back to the society, or give back to your parents and uncles and aunties and people that really matter. Once you have financial independence, you have a little change, or you have more money to give back to people, even though they are your parents and not people that are on your streets or so. Financial independence is very important, and giving back is a very good attitude. Now, if you want to know how to become financial independent, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications. I'm going to be giving people tips on how to become financial independent in my next video, so you don't want to miss it. Subscribe and turn on the notification. Share this video if you really enjoy it. Thank you very much. I'm the Immortal Bolt, and peace out.